In this video, you'll learn how to refund a buyer on eBay. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to ensure a smooth refund process for your transactions. Start by logging in to your eBay seller account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the orders section where all your completed transactions are displayed. This section is crucial because it allows you to find the order that requires a refund. Carefully locate and select the specific order you wish to address. Opening the details of the order confirms that you have chosen the correct transaction for the refund. Next, on the order details page, look for the option labeled Send Refund. This option is typically found in the Order Actions menu. Once you click on Send Refund, you will be presented with choices for a full refund or a partial refund. If you are issuing a partial refund, enter the specific refund amount in the provided field. Additionally, you have the option to include a short explanation for the refund, which can help clarify the reason to the buyer. It is important to carefully review the amount you have entered before. After you have entered the refund details, you will need to confirm the action to process the refund. Click on the confirmation button to initiate the transaction. eBay will process the refund and return the money to the buyer using the same payment method they used for their original purchase. Once the refund is initiated, the buyer will receive a notification regarding the refund status. It is important to note that the processing time can vary based on the payment provider, so the buyer may not see the funds immediately. Additionally, keeping a record of refunds is advisable as it helps you maintain good seller performance metrics on eBay. Regularly monitoring your refund transactions can provide insights into your sales and customer satisfaction. You may also want to check your available funds and ensure that your balance can accommodate the refund, especially for larger amounts. That wraps up today's guide on how to refund a buyer on eBay. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.